Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. Ready to create eye-catching floating effects for your Canva designs? Let's dive in. Click Create, select Custom Size, enter 300 by 300 pixels. Go to Elements, search for Floating Island, then add this element to your design by clicking and dragging it into place. Remove the background, then add the house image here, just like this. Select the house element from the list to begin editing its properties. Add this element here, then trim it. After trimming, the element will become smaller. Click to add clouds to the scene. Select this background for your slide. Right-click the object and select Send to Back to move it behind all other elements on the slide. Let's say this event happens tomorrow, and then they will add birds to it. Click Remove Background to delete it. Next, add a pop-up checkbox to the interface. Add this bubble here by selecting it from the menu and placing it on the slide. Click to add the sun. Search for Sunspark. Adjust the size to make the object smaller. Add a dog to the project. Load the background image into your project to set the scene. The tree has been successfully planted and is growing well. This is our final design. Now, save your work by clicking the Save button or using the keyboard shortcut to ensure your progress is secured. Click Share, then Download, increase size, and click Download again. Now you know how to create a floating effect with Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.